Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only roll like once. Life move fast when you know what you want.
Hi guys, welcome back to mrsbluxlife. I am Sarita, and I'm hopping on here to show y'all some things that I have recently picked up and have recently received in the mail. So, first off, we'll start. Oh, how rude. Welcome back if this is your first time here. Welcome if you are a returning family member of mine over here in the Mrs. B Lux Life world, okay? But back to the programming. We have an item from, well, we have two from, but one came in the mail. Okay, so this item I ordered, I think I told you I ordered it about a week ago, and it has finally come in. It's that charm that was on sale for $47, I think it was $47. So I'm happy I got one that is all. This is going to go on the Compass 25. I just got to figure out how I'm going to do the one on this end. Let's see. Let's just take all the little goodies off, y'all. But who else picked this up? I think Sharon from the Sharon, the thick of it. I'm going to put her name down below. I think Sharon picked this one up. And I think Jazz at the completed look, I think she did too. I think. I might be wrong, but I think they all picked it up. Look at that. I'm about to leave one of them on there. Yeah, that is cute. Yeah, so that's the one I got. Y'all see the original price. That's the original price. So that is one thing that I picked up. So I'm glad it has this class on this end, but I don't know how it's going to look. So we'll play around with decking out the bag probably next video. Probably I gotta put this in here because I don't have a bag. I wasn't planning to be taking anything apart. Okay, so that is that, and then I'll go with the next coach. Okay, so the next coach item I've been watching online. Now I saw these about 2 weeks ago, and Nordstrom's had them. Now let me tell y'all how Nordstrom over there playing. They had them at $125, and then they increased them to $155. I called because they price match, and the lady was like, oh, well, we don't price match to Dillard's. Found that out, so we know that now. But then Dillard's got them this week. Okay, let me just go on up there to Dillard's. Now, I got these, and I do have something that's coming, but these are so comfortable, y'all. Like, what? And for $125? Yes. Now, they come in another color, and online they look like a tan, but I'll put a video somewhere here. Y'all can see they're like a wheat color, like a light wheat. I didn't like that. So this one here, perfect. The footbed, it must have memory foam in it because it is super, super comfy. And look at that. Who's ready for the fall? Winter. Me? So I'll show y'all what this goes with. But yeah, y'all know it's two shoes. Y'all know I usually take both of them out, but it's two shoes. But I'm just hopping on here to show y'all this stuff. We'll do more in depth later. So that's that. And now while I was at Dillard's, I also they have a lot of this stuff is 65% off. So I picked up some sandals. These are, yeah, when I tell y'all I tried these on, because just think, a wide leg jean, and no, don't come for the brand. Don't come for the brand. Weird. Look, I got plantar or whatever it is. I need comfy and cute. So this is comfy and cute. When I put it on, I'm gonna show y'all. But and this is another memory foam. So perfect for travel, perfect for dresses or pants. So yes. Okay, so this is what I was excited about. One of my Mrs. B Lux Life family members dropped in the chat, well, the comment section, and told me, look, such and such is having a drop, like a special drop on such and such day. Baby, I set that clock on my phone so quick. Sunday was a good day. Thank you again. Look, I have already commented to you, but Thank you so much, because I finally have a curved bag. Okay, what do you have? I have a curved bag. Yes. I am so excited because I did not know the shipping was so high. I wanted more than one bag, but I was like, look, them bags was already started to show sold out on there like 5 minutes after they started the drop time. Baby, I hurried up and checked out and got on out of there. But look at this. I finally have a curves tote. Yes, I am excited. I'm excited. So we're going to have to do a whole video just about this bag. And I found out I have to deck it out, decorate it, and get me some charms on here. So yes, the curves tote has been added. All because one of my lovely family members of Mrs. B Lux Life decided to say, hey, I told you I was going to remind you. Let me remind you. And I thank you so much, because I have finally joined. I have joined the curves tote. Look, do y'all see that? Perfection green. So just told y'all who one of my favorite artists are on my last video. Green is our color. So I am excited, but I wanted to get another bag because I wanted to get one for Ty, but I was trying to hurry up. By the time I went back on there, it was a no. They were gone. That's how quick it was. Less than 15 minutes. Do you hear me? So I'm so thankful. I'm so appreciative. And now I finally have my bag. So I'm going to have to do a whole video on breaking it down, decorating it, and everything else. But that is what I wanted to show y'all. What is that? We had 7 minutes, y'all. 7 minutes. That is a quick video, right? But I just wanted to jump on here, show y'all that. Let me make sure I'm not forgetting that. No, I'm not forgetting anything. But that's what I wanted to show y'all. I have my charm. I got my shoes. Y'all check them shoes out. I do have it linked in my shop mine. Macy's has them. And Dillard's has them. But don't y'all go get them at Nordstrom's, because why are they $30 more? But if they all going to be $30 more, go ahead and get them at Macy's or Dillard's while they have them. Because who's paying $30 more and they already $125? We'll take the... Let me see what the box say. Let me see what the box say. Because if the box say $125... Oh... The box say $155. The site says $125. Y'all better hurry up and go get them. Y'all better hurry up and go get them. Y'all better hurry up and go. Shh. What they say? Quiet on the creek. Yeah, quiet on the creek. Hurry up and go get these shoes. Now, I went down the size. If you have mules from Coach already, I have the other mules with the buckle. I went down the size in them too. Y'all, go get your shoes. They only come in whole sizes. Y'all look on that. Y'all look on there and y'all tell me what y'all see. 125. They are showing 155 on that sticker. They scanned 125 though. So, okay. Lord, now I gotta go research. Okay, well, I will see y'all later. Thank y'all for watching, comment, and subscribe. And tell me down below if you're gonna order the mules or not. Lord, have mercy. And I will see y'all on the next one. Thank y'all for subscribing, comment, and don't forget to hype me up. And I will see y'all on the next one. Bye.